Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble my patterned jumper boxes. Now this template works particularly well with directional pattern papers, and you'll find all of the details in my Etsy shop. So let's get started. Okay, so once you have everything cut out, you need to begin by folding and burnishing all of the score lines on these 4 pieces. Now I've already gone ahead and inked around all of the edges of all of the pieces, just using a brown ink to match the jumper. Then you need to apply some glue to one of the side pieces and attach it to the box front like this, just making sure that it's all lined up along that score line. Then do the same with the other side. So again, just lining it up with that score line. Then make sure it's all pressed down. Then you need to take this piece, which is the back of the box, apply some glue to one of the side tabs and attach it like this. Then do the same on the other side. You can now press it down from the inside just to secure it in place. Then glue this tab at the top, fold it over, and again just press it down from the inside to secure it. The box then closes like this. Okay, so now you need to start working on the jumper pieces. So again, I've gone around all of the edges of all of the pieces with a brown ink. So I'm going to start with the front of the jumper. I'm just going to glue the base trim on first, making sure that's all lined up along that bottom edge. Then I'm going to add the 2 cuffs, so that's 1 on each side. Then do exactly the same with the back of the jumper. This time just making sure that that cutout section is all lined up. So now you need to glue one of the back collars to the back of the jumper. Then turn it over and glue the other back collar to the inside of the jumper, making sure that the 2 collars are lined up along the top. Then put the 2 jumper pieces back to back and glue the front collar to the front of the jumper, again just making sure that's lined up at the top. Now just to add a bit of detail, I'm going to use a white gel pen and I'm going to draw some little lines along all of the trim pieces. Next you need to take these 2 side trim pieces and they're going to go on the sides of the box, making sure they're lined up along that bottom edge. Next you need to find the back of the box, so that's the piece with the little cutout section. Then you're going to glue the back jumper piece onto the back of the box. Just making sure that's all lined up and straight along the base. Then glue the front of the jumper on. Again, just making sure that's all lined up along the base and along the top edge. Next you need to join the two jumper pieces together. So starting at the edge of the collar, just apply a little bit of glue and then down the outer edge of the sleeve onto the cuff. Then carefully press the two pieces together. Then do the same on the other side. So again, just a little bit on the edge of the collar there, all the way down the outer edge of the sleeve, onto the cuff, and then carefully pressing the two pieces together, lining them up. And there it is, finished. Now I've designed these boxes to hold a gift card, and I'm going to put some chocolate coins in this one as well. So I've got some more examples here that I've made, again all using directional patterned paper. So using your own patterned paper, you can have fun designing your own pattern jumper favour boxes.